Hello and welcome to my kindergarten lesson. Today I'm going to be talking about the standard for kindergarten about fluently adding and subtracting within 5. And my name is Mrs. McCulpin, and let's get started. So if you were to click right here, this would take you to the Common Core standard where it comes from. And so moving along, in order to add or subtract, the thing that kind of helps it make sense are number bonds. So number bonds are two parts, which are these smaller circles that make up a whole, which is this bigger circle. So this number bond is saying that 3 and 2 make 5. So all a number bond is two parts that make up a whole. So on this slide, we're going to make our own number bond. So 2 parts to make a whole. Let's come up with the number 3. And let's choose the number 4. And the number 1. So my 2 parts are 4 and 1, and I'm going to put these 2 parts together to make my whole. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. So this would be a number bond. In this next activity, it's called What's the Missing Number? So the students are going to practice adding within 5 as they identify what the missing number is on each tree number bond and the equation that it represents. So here in this first one, we have our tree, which is representing a number bond. So it's saying our small parts are 5 and 1. So we're going to be adding 5 plus 1 to make the whole number 6. And so when we add 5 and 1 to make 6, it's represented in the equation like this. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So our missing number you would fill in would be 6, and when it's represented it would look like this is the equation. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So let's move on to the next one to practice. Here's another tree. What's the missing number? So it's represented in the equation and in the tree. We have 0 and 3 to make what whole number? We know that 0 is nothing. So 3 plus nothing equals 3. So you'd be writing that in your missing number. And then you'd write it again over here to just show the equation that it represents. 0 plus 3 equals 3. And we'll practice one more time. We have our missing number. We have our little parts, a 2 and a 3. What is 2 plus 3? Good, it's 5. So we have our number bond, we found the missing number, and then again it's represented as an equation. You would just put your 5 right here. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and now you have your equation, and we've done the activity of what's the missing number. So if you need to rewatch this video, you can. Otherwise, you can keep practicing on your own, and thanks for watching.